Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparky Media. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about this live streaming social media platform known as Boloup. Okay, recently or previously, I have received a lot of questions from people in regards to Boloup monetization and Boloup platform. How does it work and what is it all about, and is it a legitimate platform or just another scam platform in disguise? And then I assured those who asked me those questions that I am going to make a review video in regards to this platform, and then this is the few review video about this platform. So if you are a user of this platform and you don't really understand or know what this platform is basically all about, then in this video tutorial I am going to be explaining and revealing to you guys every single details you need to know and understand about this very platform known as Boloup. And then in this very video you are going to find out if this platform is actually a legitimate one or just another scam platform in disguise. So all you need to do is to pay attention to this video and watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line, because in this very video you are going to find out every single thing you need to know on this platform. Okay, but before I proceed with this video guys, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. What I do on this my channel is all about business. I share business tips, review videos, money making ideas on this my channel on daily basis. If you are new, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest update is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and turn on the notification bell so that you be notified whenever I release new videos like this. Then at the end of this video, if you are not in any of my Telegram group or WhatsApp group, I'll be leaving my Telegram group link in the comment section of this video. You can also use it to join us for more business tips, more money making ideas, more updates, and the rest of them. That is what I share there in my Telegram group. I'll be leaving the link in the comment section of this video. Okay, so before we proceed with this video, I would love to lay a clear disclaimer. This is disclaimer. This video is meant for review and educational purpose only and not a financial advice. This video does not guarantee you any result. I do not guarantee result. I am not a financial advisor. So this video is made for educational and review purpose only and nothing more. So therefore, you are advised to make your own research before using any platform. Okay, so in this video I'll be talking about what is Boloup all about and how does it work and how can one participate on the platform and what are the purposes of this platform. And then we'll be talking about the earning on this platform, the monetization aspect on this platform, how can one earn on this platform. Then we'll be talking about if this platform is a legitimate platform or just another scam platform in disguise. All these things we are going to be covering in this very video. Okay, so let's get started. What is Boloup all about? Boloup is a social networking and a live streaming platform where one can either live stream to connect with people or to make friends, meet new people, and then the rest of them. So that is what this platform is basically all about. This is a social networking and a live streaming app where one can stream for meeting new people, chatting with new people, and then thereabout. So that is what this platform is basically all about. So how does it work? First, these are the things one need to take note of. This platform serve different purposes. Some people use this platform for entertainment. Some people use this platform for meeting people. Some people use this platform just to live stream. Those who like live stream. So if you are the type that if you are a streamer, then this Boloup is another live streaming social networking platform where one can live stream on the platform. So if one is using this platform, you should know the reason why you are using it. When you take a look at the party, you can see they have the option of live. You can see people live. They have the option of party, so you can see people, you can follow people, people can still follow you, you can chat with people, meet with people, you can also create your own room. So that is what this platform is basically all about. So that's it. Now, talking about the monetization aspect, what is monetization? So monetization is a program that allows user to either earn money from their content or from their creativity. Now, this platform monetization is different from every other social media monetization. So this platform monetization happens in different ways. And number one one is when you are streaming and people like what they are doing, people can gift you coins, and then those coins people are gifting you can be converted to diamond, and when it's converted to diamond, it can be withdrawn as cash. So that is how the monetization of this platform works. However, you can also like gift other streamers on the platform. If what they are doing suits you, you can also gift them with what you have received from others, or you can also gift them coins. So that is what this platform is basically all about, for those asking about the monetization. Then another way by which one can also earn through monetization is through creating agency. There's what we call an agency. You can create agency, and when you recruit people under you, when they are live streaming and people are gifting them, you might be receiving some percentage of their gift. So that is another way of monetization. Another way is also through invitation. So when you invite friends and family to join the platform using your own link, the platform also claim that they might reward you if you are able, if the people invited meet their terms and then condition, which you can see here. So that is the monetization process, or the monetization method on this platform. So now, talking about the legitimacy of this platform, is this platform a legitimate platform or a scam platform? This is the question we should be asking ourselves. So is Boloup a legitimate platform or a scam platform? Well, at the time I was making this video, from my own investigation, research, and information I gathered after my investigation, this platform in question happens to be a social networking and a live streaming app, basically for entertainment, meeting people, connecting with new people, making friends. So this is basically an entertainment based platform. So these are the things we need to take note of. So this platform does not ask people to invest money or deposit money. So for that reason, we don't have any evidence to tag this platform a scam platform. So this is basically a social media platform for entertainment. So that's it. So how the monetization came about is because of those people who are streaming, and then people decide to gift to them, and people still decide not to gift to them. So talking about if it is legit now, is Boloup legit? Well, from my own personal experiences and research after my investigation, so this platform here has been confirmed a multi-purpose platform which serves entertainment, reward purposes, monetization purposes. So if you are among those that are using it, or you are using it for monetization, you should bear it in mind that you also need to meet up their criteria before you can be able to request for their withdrawal. For every social media platform that allow creators to monetize their content also have their terms and policy. So always review the terms and policy of any platform before using them. So as the time I was making this video, Boloup has been confirmed legit, and then currently rewarding the users. However, they can change their policy at any time. So this video does not guarantee you any result or promote any platform. So this is a pure review video about this platform. So I am not in any way affiliated with this platform, as this video is based on my own research and personal experiences with this platform. So that is it. So have you been using this Boloup, and what are your own personal experiences? You can also share it in the comment section of this video. And then don't forget, there's love in sharing. As I've shared this video with you, also share it with friends and family. And may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you, and remain sparky.